Hello everyone. Here we have an interesting problem which is actually a radical system of equations. Here we have two radical equations which is square root of a plus b is equal to 7 and a plus square root of b is equal to 11. So we have to find the values of a and b, possible values of a and b. First, we adopt the method to solve them simultaneously. You can adopt any method. If you want to give a try, please pause the video and take a copy pencil. Otherwise, stay with us. So first of all, I call it equation number 1 and this equation as equation number 2. So first we subtract these two equations. I subtract these equations, so we will get square root of a plus b minus a plus square root of b. This will be 7 minus 11, which will be square root of a plus b minus a minus square root of b is equal to minus 4. And this gives, if we arrange the terms, we will get square root of a minus square root of b minus a plus b is equal to minus 4. So here we have a minus square root of a minus square root of b minus, if we take minus common, this will be a minus b is equal to minus 4. So we will get, here we can write it as square root of a minus square root of b. This can be written as minus square root of a square minus square root of b square. It's a very well known formula of which is given as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we have used this formula. Now we can write, by using this formula, we can write this as a square root minus b square root minus, this is square root of a minus b square root into square root of a plus b square root, which is equal to minus 4. We can take common a square root minus b square root from both terms. Here we get 1 minus a square root plus b square root, which is equal to minus 4. So we can multiply this term by minus. So if we multiply square root of a minus square root of b into, when we multiply this term with minus, this minus will become plus and 1 will become minus. So square root of a plus square root of b minus 1 is equal to minus 4. And right side will become positive. Right sides become positive. So I am going to raise this. So this will be the final equation after multiplying by a minus symbol. So now here is product of two terms which is equal to 4, and we are dealing with the integers, so we deal with the integer multiplication, so we can write it as a minus b, just wait, a plus b minus 1 is equal to, we can choose the all possible option for 4, factor of the 4. If one factor is first factor is 1, then other is 4. If first factor is 2, then other is also 2. If third is 4, then this is 1. Means we have taken all possible values for which the product of these two terms may be 4. So let add these two terms. Add. This will be cancelled out and we will get 2 times square root of a minus 1 is equal to, now corresponding terminologies will be add up, 5, 4 and 5. So add 1 on the both sides, 2 square root of a will be equal to 6, 5 and 6. So dividing by 2, we get a square root is equal to 3, 5 by 2 and again 3. So it completes the, now taking square on both sides, a will be 9, 25 by 4 and again 9, or a is equal to 9 and 25 by 4. Because 9 is written 2 times, so we are writing it only once. Therefore, now there are two cases. Case 1 is when a is equal to 9. Then we go on the first equation, which is square root of a plus b is equal to 7. So from first equation, 1 implies that square root of a plus b is equal to 7. So we substitute the value of a here, which is 9 square root plus b is equal to 7. 3 plus b is equal to 7, and b will be equal to 7 minus 3, b is equal to 4. Means we have set of solution AB. If a is equal to 9, then b is equal to 4. It is the first solution for first case when a is equal to 9. Now we are going towards the case 2. Case 2 is what? When a is equal to 25 by 4. So when case 2 is when a is equal to 25 by 4. Then what will be happen to the equation number 1? Equation number 1 was this, square root of a plus b is equal to 7. So square root of a plus b is equal to 7, which is 25 by 4 square root plus b is equal to 7. And so it is 5 by 2 plus b, that is equal to 7, and b is equal to 7 minus 5 by 2, which will give the answer as 9 by 2b. So if a is equal to where ab, if a is, it's another solution. If a is equal to 25 by 4, then b is equal to 9 by 2, which is the second solution. So there are two cases. If a is equal to 9, then b is equal to 4, and if a is equal to 25 by 4, then b is equal to 9 by 2. These are the complete solution of this problem. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.